With all of the different input panels that we have available for the Lync system, they can all be wired directly back to a LyncPad that's within the zone. The standard input panel, the SIP, it has to be wired directly back to the LyncPad. You cannot wire this back to the main Lync controller, your central location, because the signal that comes from the standard input panel has to go over to the LyncPad first, and it's actually using the analog to digital converter that's in the LyncPad to convert that signal in order to send it down the Cat5 cable back to the whole house audio controller. The other input panels, the digital input panel, the Bluetooth input panel, and the analog input panel, these can also wire directly back to the LyncPad. You have 2 RJ45 ports on the back of the LyncPad, and you also have 2 on the back of each one of the input panels. So you can have Cat5 cable coming from the Lync controller going into one of these jacks on the LyncPad. Then you can have Cat5 coming from the empty jack to run over to your input panel.